that was James. He's going to bring the weigh wagon about 1 o'clock. So, let's see. So, we need to break for lunch pretty quick then, right?
Yeah.
What time do you have?
11:20.
I've got probably 250 bushel in that one, in this other cart. One more round and then shut her down.
Yeah, that's okay.
God, I've been broken more than a time.
Go, baby, go. You can make it.
Show you what it means to be.
Oh, no. He didn't make it. Rick didn't make it up the hill. Woo. I think you need a bigger tractor. She spin out?
Like that, then it would have been alright.
Yeah, I didn't plan on getting you that full on that cart.
I didn't have enough speed. I couldn't get enough speed up either.
Yeah, once you lose some RPMs, man, that little motor just noses over. You know, it's not like we're asking much of it with a 1,000 bushel cart.
Hey, he's doing alright.
Whose idea was that? Oh, man. Yeah, we probably should have picked out that land over there so you could avoid that hill. Alright, this is the second pass on channel 210. Spot right there. Let's see what happens. This is part of the area that flooded out. We replanted this, I guess it was late June, and wow, is it a mess. This is like the old days before Roundup and all the great herbicides we have now. Woo! We're gonna go around this for a while. Let it dry out. Alright, we're down to the last rows on the West Farm. Finally, I think it's what, November 22nd or so. So we've got about 10 acres left tomorrow at the East Farm, and hopefully we'll harvest up finally. I call it the never-ending harvest, and that's what it is. It's finally gonna end. As long as we don't break anything. We've had lots of little things break this year, but that's just all part of it. Anyway, we'll give you a little bit of nighttime video footage here on these last rows. You can see the wind damage on this corn. It reminds me of 2013 when we had it so bad. Or 2014, I lose track, but anyway, enjoy.
To the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bar double round a crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same, 'cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling-blinging while the girls are drinking. Long necks down, and I wouldn't trade old Leroy or my Chevrolet for your Escalade or your freak parade. I'm the only John Wayne left in this town, and I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Thoroughbred, that's what she said in the back of my truck bed as I was getting buzzed on suds out on some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time, and I was going just about as far as she'd let me go. But her evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and sang her every Willie Nelson song I could think of, and we made love. And I saddle up my horse and I ride it through the city. I make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Would save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Yeah. That way I'll have some. Told Mom I don't have much for harvest here. This year we've had so much trouble with the combine and stuff, just little stuff, man.
walk a hard line, winding road. Don't really know where it's gonna go. Seems like trouble's my best friend. Soon as I get out, I'm back in again. It's a wonder I ain't all alone. 'Cause it ain't easy. No, it ain't easy. It ain't easy loving me. Don't know why I do the things I do. Must be I love to light the fuse. Stand back and watch it crash and burn and turn into ash, just like it ain't nothing. She ain't something I can lose. 'Cause it ain't easy. No, it ain't easy. It ain't easy loving me. She's the brick by brick that built this house. Without her it would all fall down. Somehow she finds the faith and the strength to believe. Don't know why she sticks around. 'Cause it ain't easy. It ain't easy. It ain't easy loving me. It ain't easy. It ain't easy. It ain't easy loving me.
right end is going to get reworked this summer. That thing is shot. You there?
Yeah.
I thought you were on 19.
What's that? You're on 19?
I thought you were. No, 24 or.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're full. I just saying this snout on this right end of his head, man, we gotta rework it. It's bad. Helps if you're on the same radio station where you're trying to talk to each other. That was funny. Oh well. We've got a couple rounds here to go, and we are going to be done for 2017, which will be a blessing for sure. It's been quite a battle this year. But we made it. We're going to make it. Trouble with the right end of the corn head. There's a snout that's damaged, and this summer we'll be doing some serious manufacturing on that thing. Anyway, it's been great having you guys with us this year. I hope you enjoy riding along with us during the harvest, and all the pictures and videos from this summer, planting and everything else this summer. As always, lots of film footage of Gracie doing what Gracie does, and she was actually in the cart, in the tractor, on the cart yesterday with Rick all afternoon, so she was having fun. But thanks again, and hope to see you next year. All right, have a great 2018.
Raised up in Jersey, I said, oh Lord have mercy. Never seen a one-light town till she moved down here. She said, I'm so bored out of my mind, need a Starbucks and a Wi-Fi, or a jet airliner to fly me anywhere. I said, do you want to take a drive in my truck? Don't pay no mind to that 12-point buck laid across my hood. You ever been to Rome, Georgia? Pick peaches off the trees, climbed a water tower in Paris, Tennessee. I've been to Florence, Alabama, drink muscadine wine. Just give me a chance to change your mind. So before you go and fly away, girl, let me show you around a country boy's world. Somewhere between there on a dirt road, when I rolled down the window, she smelled wildflowers on that summer wind. Just a bite of homemade ice cream and a glass of mama's sweet tea. This old holler's got a way of making friends. She'd never seen a glowing field of fireflies, or the twinkle of a star in a southern sky. She fell in love. We went down to Rome, Georgia, picked peaches off the trees, climbed a water tower in Paris, Tennessee. Went to Florence, Alabama, drank muscadine wine. She gave me a said she'll never